This fellow is up to no good. He's trying to get into your home. You're soundly sleeping in your cozy bed, and a creepy man enters. You look up and... nothing better than a good book and a cup of tea. Here comes the new phone you've been waiting weeks for. You don't hear the delivery man. Uh-oh. This guy's trouble. He's just stolen your package. No selfies for you. You are house cleaning while you listen to some righteous tunes. Your wife is returning with a heavy bag of yummy groceries. You cannot hear her pounding on the door. Good thing you cleaned that couch. You'll be sleeping on it for a while. Do you need safety, happiness, and marital harmony?
Yes!
Then you need a Dozener Smart Doorbell. The Dozener Smart Doorbell can be fitted to any door or frame. The pull ring can bear up to 25 kg of force. It's waterproof. No raining on this party. Cold-proof, down to -20 degrees Celsius. Cool. Heat-proof, up to 60 degrees Celsius. That's hot. The Dozener Smart Doorbell is not easy to steal. The Dozener gives you alarm detection up to 30 feet. Built-in burglar alarm with night vision and a motion sensor.
Get out!
Loved ones can receive messages and communicate with you through the Dozener speaker.
Hi babe, I'll be home soon. Love you.
Never sacrifice the security of your home again. The Dozener Smart Doorbell comes with app notification, remote communication. You can authorize others to answer for you if you are not able.
Hello, you can just leave it on the doorstep, thanks.
Listen to the music from the Dozener speaker. The app will notify you when the doorbell is rung. No more nights on the couch. Everyone is happier and more secure with the Dozener Smart Doorbell. Dozener Smart Doorbell with TWS Speaker, your most user-friendly 365-day security camera.